Optimum humidity ensures standardized processes, high-quality manufacturing and lower costs in various areas of the automotive industry. Ever more complex electronic controls and functions drive the automotive industry and make the prevention of electrostatic discharges in production indispensable. Electrostatics endanger the functionality and service life of electronic devices, components and PCBs. A constant relative humidity between 50 and 55% increases the conductivity of the air and protects against uncontrolled electrostatic discharging of the materials. Gluing is another key technology in the automotive industry. The engine, vehicle body and peripheral components are assembled with high-performance adhesive systems. The adhesives used need a sufficiently high humidity that prevents the glue from early drying in order to guarantee their optimum adhesion properties. In addition, direct room air humidification binds dust and reduces dust attraction on sensitive surfaces. In very warm production areas, air humidification cools the environment and ensures a pleasant and healthy indoor climate.